I'm going to show you how to restore these wheels to make them look a little better. These have gotten kind of rough. First thing I'm going to do is let the air out of the tire. I'm going to take this valve stem removal tool. So I've got this plastic here. I'm going to use this on it. You can use a plastic bag or whatever you happen to have, trash bag liner. I just happen to have some of this stuff. And it's clear. I like it to be clear. You can see what's going on. I'll do another one right here. See, it won't quite make the rim. It was a little wider. I'm going to have to double it up there. Got this parachute cord. Just going to tuck it under the bead there.